live for me on your phone. Check the live on your phone. Or just put it on live. Just want to make sure so the orientation proper. How long is it? Is that welcome. See? Welcome. So, alright, so pause. So now we pause. Let me know. How would I let supposed to reach it? I'm doing like video and like all of the digital stuff. You understand? Oh, say my bad, Alex. Never would have made it. Never could have made it without you. I would have lost it all. But now I see how you're there for me. And I can say, never would have made it. Never could have made it without you. I would have lost it all.